Have you ever wondered what makes your car move? It's all thanks to the incredible piece of engineering under the hood, the engine. In this video, we'll demystify how a car's engine transforms fuel into motion, breaking down each step in a simple, easy-to-understand way. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious, you'll gain a clear understanding of this fascinating process and appreciate the complexity that goes into every drive. At its core, a car engine is a heat engine, meaning it converts heat energy into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is then used to power the wheels, making your car go. Simply put, the engine's main job is to create controlled explosions that push parts, ultimately turning the wheels. An engine is made up of several key components, including cylinders, pistons, connecting rods, and a crankshaft. These parts work together in a synchronized dance to produce power. Most modern car engines operate on what's called the four-stroke cycle. This cycle is a repetitive sequence of 4 piston movements that generate power. The first stroke is the, quote, intake stroke. During this phase, the piston moves down, creating a vacuum that pulls a mixture of air and fuel into the cylinder. Next, the, quote, compression stroke. The piston moves up, compressing the air-fuel mixture. This increases its temperature and pressure, making it more combustible. Then comes the power stroke, the exciting part. A spark plug ignites the compressed mixture, causing a tiny explosion that forcefully pushes the piston back down. Finally, the, quote, exhaust stroke. The piston moves up again, pushing the burnt gases out of the cylinder through the exhaust valve. So now we have the pistons moving up and down. How does that translate into the wheels turning? The pistons are connected to a crankshaft via connecting rods. The up and down motion of the pistons causes the crankshaft to rotate. The rotating crankshaft then sends its power to the transmission. The transmission acts like a gearbox, adjusting the amount of torque and speed sent to the wheels, depending on what the car needs. From the transmission, the power is delivered to the driveshaft, which in turn spins the wheels, propelling the car forward. While the four-stroke cycle is the core, an engine relies on several vital supporting systems to function efficiently and reliably. The fuel system delivers the right amount of fuel to the engine, from the gas tank, through a pump, and into the cylinders via injectors. The ignition system creates the spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture in the cylinders, making the power stroke possible. The cooling system prevents the engine from overheating, using coolant to dissipate the immense heat generated during combustion. And finally, the lubrication system. Engine oil circulates through the engine, reducing friction between moving parts and extending their lifespan. So, there you have it, a simplified look at how a car's engine works. From intake to exhaust, through compression and power, this continuous cycle turns fuel into the motion that drives your vehicle. It's a complex yet remarkably efficient process, a true marvel of engineering that powers our daily lives. Thanks for watching.